Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. This is just going to be a very easy tutorial on how to set up a basic server that you can play with your friends and not having to port forwarding your router. So first thing you need to do is you head over to minecraft.net, and here you're going to log in to your Minecraft account, and then you click download, and you're gonna download this jar file here. This is the Minecraft server, and depending on what update is out, there's going to be a different number right here. But as of right now, the last update is 1.7.4. So go ahead and download this file, and while it's downloading, you can go to your desktop and create a new folder and just call it, for the sake of this video, just call it Minecraft server. Wow, okay, so that took quite a while for me. I'm not sure what happened. I guess the internet sucks where I'm sitting right now. Anyways, you're gonna have to drag the Minecraft server.jar folder into your folder here, and then what you have to do is you have to create a TextEdit file. So go to Spotlight and then search for TextEdit. It's a stock app that comes with every Mac. And you're gonna hit new document, and now you have to paste in this code. Now this code is going to be written into the description, so for you guys it's just gonna be a copy paste matter of it's gonna be a matter of copy and pasting. Now these numbers are important. The 1G here and the 1G here represents the max and the minimum of how much RAM you're going to allow your server to use. So if you're going to be a lot of players on your servers and you're going to be, taking up heavy gaming, or it's going to take up a lot of RAM on your computer, then you should probably set this to higher. You can set this to 2 or 3 or even 4 gigs of RAM, depending on how many gigs of RAM your computer has. Now for me, I'm just going to set this to 1, just as an example here. So now you have to make sure that this is a plain text. So you have to go to format and make sure that it is a plain text. If not, then you have to click make plain text, and then you just convert it, and this is how it's supposed to look like. So what you do now is you save this and you name it start.command, and you save this in your well, ultimately you're going to put it here, but I can't find the folder right here, so I'm just going to put it to my desktop. Then I'm going to save it, and I'm going to drag this into this folder. So the next thing you have to do is you have to rename this file Minecraft_server.jar. Delete all the numbers. So this should be the name of this jar file. Now, when you click this start.command, basically what it's going to do is it's going to start up your server. You're most likely going to have this message though, saying that you don't have the appropriate access privileges. What you have to do to fix this is you have to open terminal, and then you type chmod space a+x space, and then you drag in this file. Hit enter, and then you can exit this. Now you should be able to start your server, and it's going to take some time the first time you're going to open the server, but as you can see, it's preparing a spawn area. It actually generated a new world, and as you can see in the background, it's doing a whole lot of this commands, and it actually made a couple of new files in this folder, which we're going to get back to. Now when you get this message that the Minecraft server is done loading, you're going to want to enter stop, and the world will save itself, and the server Java GUI will exit itself out. Now it's safe to exit the terminal as well. Now, as you can see, there's a couple of files that generated themselves in this Minecraft server folder. I'm just going to go over the most important ones. Now, the apps is an important document. This is where you're going to want to put the names of all the players that's going to be in your server. So I'm just going to put my Minecraft username here, which is this, and then I'm going to save it. This basically gives me permission to use this world, to break blocks, and to function as a normal player would in Minecraft. This file is also very important. It's basically the rules of your Minecraft server, and you're going to want to open this with textedit. Let's see if I can find it. And here you see a bunch of commands. Now, if you're a newbie to this, then this is all going to look like, well, it's all going to be very complicated to you. But what you basically should do, or at least what I used to do, is that I set this to false, which will not allow another to spawn in my world, because I don't really go down to the nether, and it's just taking up a lot of memory on your computer. So usually I just set this to false. And what I also do to make it a little less requiring of my computer is that I usually take the view distance down to 7. It's not even noticeable when you play, but it's, you know, just a little thing that could make the server go faster, or run smoother rather. And this server IP is going to be important very soon. And for now, I'm just gonna save this server.properties, and then I'm gonna exit out of it. And so now, when you open it, you're going to press the start.command, and your server is going to start up as usual. However, you will not be able to play with your friends just yet. Now, there are a couple of ways you can get your friends to play with you. One of them is to port forward your router. I have port forwarded my router, and I'm gonna tell you, it's a fucking hassle. So I would recommend. I actually use this myself, even though I've already port forwarded my router. But I would recommend everybody to download Hamachi, which is software that you can use. It basically works as a port forward, although you don't need to go into your settings on your internet router and change all of these security settings. Now, how you get this app and how it works, I'm gonna tell you. You're gonna have to go to Hamachi, or Google Hamachi rather, and then you click the download log me in Hamachi, and then you're gonna wanna check off this box right here and click download, and you're gonna have this file down in your downloads. This file is what's going to pop up. Now, I've already downloaded because my internet was so slow, so I had to download it from earlier. And you're just gonna open this and checkbox everything and install it. I've already done this, so I'm not gonna do it again. But basically, when you're done installing it, you're gonna have this this circle here up in the corner, this black circle with 3 clear circles inside. And what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna open log me in Hamachi, and this number here is very important. This number is what you're going to put in to the server IP in the properties file. So you open this, and then in server IP you input these numbers, which is, for me, 25.171.158.150. And then you just save it and exit. That's all you do. And now the player that you want to play Minecraft with is also going to have to download the Hamachi software, and he's going to get the same picture or the same window as you're having right here. So I'm just going to delete this network for the sake of this video. So how you're going to connect with your friend through Hamachi is you're going to go to network and you're going to create a new network, and for this video we'll just call this network TheFrostyProgram. And you're gonna have to put in a password. So right now we're just gonna have to write password, and then you confirm password, and then you create it. Now what your friend is going to have to do is he's going to have to go to network and join an existing network, and here he's going to have to write the program, or you know, whatever the hell you set your network to be, and he's gonna write the password, which in this case is the password. Now as you can see, this won't work for me because I'm already a part of it. I'm owning the network. But once your friend has joined the network, it will look something like this, although his dot will probably, or hopefully, be green. And when he is connected to you and you have written these numbers into your server properties, then you are basically ready to go. Now you just hit the start.command file and open Minecraft. Just gonna have to let it load. And what's really important here is that you are logged onto a profile that is using the same version of Minecraft as the version that you downloaded the server for. So in this case it's gonna be release 1.7.4, and I'm gonna save, and then I'm gonna play. Now you go to multiplayer and the server should be up. And you can test this server, or you know, the fact that your server is working, by going around here. And since I wrote my name in the ops list, then I should be able to work, function normally, and I should be able to break this block. If I have, which I was able to break this block, so that's good. That means that everything works the way it should. So I guess that was it, guys. If you have any questions, then leave them down below. I'll try to answer them as good as I can. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Anyways, I'm just going to show you a really fast method of installing a Minecraft texture pack on the Mac.